Welcome back, students. Now this is the dissection of the sole. Right here in the sole, what you get is the skin, which is very tough with the dermal ridges, and that part of the skin which comes in contact with the ground while we are standing. This part is called as the sole, and this skin is tough because there is the attachment of the dermis of the skin to that of the deeper aponeurosis, that is called as the plantar aponeurosis, and then the superficial fascia gives passage to the nerves and vessels here, which is very tough to remove and usually are lost during the removal. What we did is here that removed the skin, removed the superficial fascia, and exposed the deep fascia, which in the intermediate part is called as the plantar aponeurosis, and it takes origin from the calcanean tuberosity and then goes forward, and this plantar aponeurosis then splits into the 5 slips, and these 5 slips then divide to get attached onto the skin, crease of the skin, and then it goes forward to get attached onto that of the fibrous flexor sheath. I have removed the fibrous flexor sheath from one of the digit, that is from the third digit. What you are seeing is the fibrous flexor sheath. So these slips will go and get attached to the fibrous slips as well as the inter ligaments, that is the superficial metatarsal ligaments. Now what you get, this is true for the middle part, but on the lateral surface and the medial side of the sole you get a thin fascia and this is the plantar medial and the lateral plantar fascia, deep to which you can see the muscles are seen. In the next video I will come and will remove this deep fascia including this plantar fascia, and will show you the first layer of the sole. Okay, so now we are going to dissect the first layer of the sole. Thank you.